Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here to share my PCOS story. Like how did I come to know I have PCOS, what worked for me, what did not work for me at all of that. So I always had these little bothering symptoms. Like I used to get pimples on a daily basis. I was facing major hair fall, but I did not pay any attention to it because I just thought it was part of growing up. And yeah, so and I always had these irregular cycles, which again I was not bothered of. Like in fact I was happy about the fact that I don't get my periods every month. But things were still manageable. But then the first PCOS flare up which I saw was when I moved to a different city for my MBA from my hometown, and that was the first time. So I think lifestyle factors and my diet was completely changed, like completely switched. I started eating a lot of junk food because I was living in a hostel. So I think that was the biggest trigger for me. And that's when I saw the worst symptoms of my life. Like I started gaining a lot of weight. I was always lean from childhood, and I gained about 20 kgs of weight in a matter of 6 to 7 months, which was horrifying to me. I started feeling anxious for no reason. I went to gynecologist. She gave me birth control pills. So I was on birth control and metformin for about 2 years. It definitely helped me lose some weight, but then I started seeing a lot of side effects. Like I started facing major hair fall. Again, the pimples were back. I started feeling even more anxious. So that's when I understood that it's definitely not working. I started thinking that this is something which I have to manage myself. I can't be in this situation. And yeah, that's when I started learning about it. The first thing which I did was Googling. And yeah, there was not much information because not many women were vocal about it, to be honest. So yes, that's what happened. So as I said, while researching, I understood that PCOS is something which you can manage with the right diet and lifestyle changes. I started with very few basic swaps. Like I started consuming a lot of green veggies in my diet. I reduced the portion of white rice, which I'm a rice lover, by the way. So I reduced the carbs. And I would also like to mention that you don't have to eliminate carbs no matter what. You have to eat your carbs, but you just have to be a little mindful. And yeah, so the second thing which I did was I started walking. I started walking 5k steps. Initially I was a couch potato, believe me. I was not moving at all. I started with 5k steps, then gradually increased to 8k, then 10k. So I think that has helped me a lot. And the third thing was I started incorporating some sort of strength training in my daily routine. Initially I was doing a lot of cardio, believe me, and I think it was kind of over exercise for me. I was putting a lot of stress on my body. And when I started doing a mix of cardio and strength training, and that was a game changer for me. I actually started losing a lot of weight as well. And of course I want to mention that I gave up on few things. Like I completely gave up on junk food. I gave up on deep fried stuff. I was not eating any sort of samosas, momos, no matter what. I completely gave up on maida. And yes, I planned for eliminating white sugar as well from my diet, which I eventually did. I initially started with using jaggery instead of white sugar, then brown sugar. I'm not sure whether it's healthy or not. I just wanted to trick my mind. I know it's easier said than done that just manage your stress and fix your sleep schedule, but then you have to focus on it because this is definitely going to be the game changer for you, and I'm sure you're going to see the changes. And yeah, so take care and start managing your PCOS now.